Good morning. My name is Rahul K. I am from Harihar, Davangere district, and I completed my degree at STM Institute of Technology, Chitradurga in CS stream. In October 2021, I joined a Jspiders Rajajinagar. Jspiders Rajajinagar is the best platform for uh, gain technical knowledge required for IT. The whole organization works in the most efficient way possible to ensure that the students gets placed with a good skill set. I'm able to understand the IT skills like Java, SQL and web technology. Keshav sir and Uday sir will teach us from scratch and help us to gain knowledge about every topic in a very efficient way. And HR team provides a good support and opportunity. I would like to thank all the faculties who helped me to gain knowledge and get placed in a company. Thank you.